Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be making this beautiful purse, this beautiful wallet. Let me tell you the story behind this wallet. I want to share with you the story behind it, but please make sure you like this video and stay to the end so that you hear the story behind this wallet. As a bag maker, I need you to hear this story. So these are the material that we are going to be using. Can you see the material that we are going to be using for this? We have our zipper, then we have our Gucci belt, we have our zipper pull, and then our main leather. That is all we are going to be using. Our main leather is 10 by 12.5, two pieces, 10 by 12.5. So one of the 10 by 12.5, I just cut off 2 inches. I cut off 2 inches, then fix my belt. This belt is just design. If you like, put it. This is the 2 inches I cut off, so I'm going to sew it back on it. So just watch it, it's not difficult. So let's get back to the story. Watch to the end. Let me quickly tell you a short story of how this bag the story behind it. The thing is that sometimes ago I decided to make purse. I decided to on our Father's Day in our church, I decided to just appreciate some fathers in my life. Those people that they have been valuable, they have played the role of fathers to me. So I decided to make some of these purses, and then when I make the purse, I just carry it to the church. I take the purse to the church on Father's Day. I share it. Oh, the smile, the gratitude, everything was priceless. I don't know that men used to appreciate something like that. I thought that they don't really like those kind of things like women, but the appreciation, the love, the prayers, everything was just priceless. I was so happy that they love it. So that is how this purse, I started making it. Before you know, some of them just like it. Like one of them, he has ordered up to 4 of it. He's the one I'm still making this one for. He ordered another up to 3. He ordered one before. He came back again and ordered 2. So that is how this purse now is just bringing business. Just because I just share it. For me, I did not share it to avatar. Just let me share. So for me, what do you think, friend? What do you think? What is that kind gesture that you have ever done that has brought you that has promoted your bag making business? For me, this is promoting my work. I only just want to give the gift. So for me, it's good to give. Try and give. The year is coming to an end. Promote your work by giving. Give to others. Look at this beautiful purse. I just make it just not up to how many minutes I'm done. Thank you for listening. God bless you.